Got a fun little project here this morning. If you remember, a while back, we partnered up with a company called FlexiSpot. They make really nice desks that are, I think most of them are adjustable. Anyways, when they sent me that desk, I said in the video that it would be kind of cool to like make a desktop for one of those, because you know, the top, it was maple, but it was fake maple wood. And I was just saying how it'd be cool to like make a top for it. Anyways, they reached out to me, and that's a thing. That's apparently a thing. So they sent me another desk bottom, like I guess the mechanical part of it. And they said, go ahead and make a top for it. So I was like, that's cool. I'm thinking about possibly using the old, I guess they would have been ceiling joists from the demo. They're all right there. This is now the second FlexiSpot desk that I own, and I've got to tell you, I'm super impressed with the quality. The mechanical aspect of it is so quiet. And this desk, this frame, can lift 275 pounds, which is pretty impressive. Comes in 3 different colors. You can also have different heights programmed in, which makes it really easy just to push one button and go into the standing mode that you've preset. They also have a sit-stand reminder, which is a really handy way to remind you to not sit too long or stand too long. I don't have much of a plan on what this is going to look like. I have a rough idea. Got some like 45s cut, like a little 2-inch piece of banding all the way around, a curve in the front, and then the pieces of wood will go through like this. Something like that. That's my plan. I do need to take a whole bunch of nails out of this stuff. That's going to take me a while. And I gotta get a good hammer or something for that. FlexiSpot always offers fast, free shipping, 30-day free returns, a 5-year warranty, and they also advertise themselves as eco-friendly. Not to mention they have 24/7 service. So if you do have a problem with your desk, they're only one phone call or chat message away. Just trying to get all the nails I can see easily, and then I'll check them with the metal detector. Yeah, this was gonna work because this pinches it really good, and then it has leverage right there.
Oh yeah.
It works really good. Can you turn on the dust collector? Yeah, I didn't take off very much, but that's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's oak.
Oak's very soft.
Yeah. That's so pretty. So this right here is called the chip breaker. That has to go right back on the way it came off, just like that. And then blades are cool because this has a magnet.
It's safer.
The lumber that I'm using here is from the demo. It's probably 240 years old. I really can't emphasize enough how much I love this idea that FlexiSpot does. That yes, you're buying a mechanical desk and it's like everybody else's, but then you take the time and you make this amazing top. And Lily and I, we made this together. So this desk is just, it's going to become a family heirloom, but yet it's going to be extremely reliable and so much more special than just an off-the-shelf desk that you would buy at a big box store.
Want me to bring them over?
These little striations here don't bother me, so we'll just do that there. This can go way in the back, and this can go in the back. Now, that's wide, right? That's wider than I wanted it. Way wider. Actually, geez, 30 inches is what I was thinking. That's less than 30 now. So that's as wide as it's going to be, I think. Here. Here, go ahead and clamp it in. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, so what you can see here is the wood on here now is normal grained oak. You can see that. And what I have here is same exact wood. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down to where it looks rift sawn, I believe it's called, and make a border around this. I'm going to miter the edges. This. That will make this look, I don't know, cooler, and it will be a little bit bigger, like 4 inches wider, a little bit deeper. Once these are on there, glued on, and then I can just wood fill the little holes and sand, 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 sand. Shellac is pretty interesting stuff. You put it on and it looks really bad. And then when it dries, it looks a lot better. And then once you just lightly sand it, it looks really good. Just an interesting finish. This is the third coat. I'm probably going to do more. I'm probably going to end up doing 5 or 6 coats. This has really turned out nice. I'm actually kind of surprised that I made it. In my head, when I thought of the design and what I wanted it to look like, this is exactly what I pictured. But I am kind of surprised at my tolerances. Other than this one corner where my miter gapped a bit and I had to wood fill it, it's ideally perfect. I love it. It's gonna work really nice as a table for me. Or a desk, I guess I should say. That's what it is, right? As far as putting the desk itself together, it is so simple. You only need one tool, and they provide it, and it's literally probably 8 screws. That's it. Everything is plug and play. Could not be simpler. It's one of the main reasons I like it so much, because you don't have to use the directions, but I would encourage you to. Just make sure you do it right. So you should be able to hit the button and have it go up. That's easily lifting that. That top is so heavy too.
How high does it get?
It goes high. Yeah, so if you've got someone in your family, I guess, that's handy and has the tools to make a top, this is a really good gift idea, I think, because it's a nice desk when you're done, and it doesn't feel like something that you bought from like a big box store. It seems like something that's customly made, because it kind of is. So, anyways, thanks a lot, FlexiSpot, for thinking of us and sending us this. It was a lot of fun to make. Appreciate it. I guess that's it. Bye, everybody. There will be links in my description if you'd like to experience this yourself or any other product that FlexiSpot has to offer. Again, I'd like to say thank you to them for sending that to me, and I'll see you all next time I turn the camera on.